What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a little cold start on the 89 Suburban. It's got the 350 V8. Need some body work and valve seals need to be redone. Extra shit like that. My camera can focus. Yeah, our rockers are pretty much finished on it. Needs a bit of a little tiny bit of floor work. It's got straight headers on it right now because I haven't done anything. Interior's pretty clean. Love it. I think she's a keeper. So get the steering wheel here. Just it's a cold start basically. You know how I like to run my fuel. Close to minimum. It's the best way. Everything's good. Battery's good. As you get a little, get a little look there. The wheel. Dash is in pretty good shape. There's a little crack there, crack here, but nothing too bad. Floors are solid, no holes. Well, there's one little hole down here, but that's gonna be fixed. So, cold start, just straight headers. I'm gonna bring the camera out. Put you guys down here. You guys can hear it. As you guys can see, I got no exhaust is cut out right there, and I got my glass pack on. But and that's the deal. It's got a bench seat in the front. It's awesome. I don't want to piss off the neighbors too much. Anyways, got a little Suburban cold start there to focus, and yeah, so keep tuned for some other videos coming up on the Suburban. Gonna be painting the wheels and just touch-ups on the floor and shit. The back's open here. Yeah, she's really clean there. Got my little toolbox thing there. Everything. Anyways, keep tuned. Maybe some more videos coming up.